All right, good morning. I would like to make a little short video, just kind of going over the basics of the assignments for today. So we're looking at your assignment packet, Monday, August 24th. So for math, integer, addition and subtraction, G, and multiplication review. So I did make a couple YouTube videos for that assignment. I posted them on Friday, so hopefully you can look at them if you need to. And then are you ready? Page 4, numbers 1 through 8. So let's look at that assignment first. So you're going to find that looks like this, page 4 in your big math textbook. Right? Your math textbook looks like this. All right. So you're only doing 1 through 8 on this today. You'll finish the next part tomorrow. But so you're just going to find the square of each number. So the example they gave you up here, they're showing you find the square of 2/3. So when you are finding the square of a number, basically you just multiply the number by itself. So it would have looked like this, 2/3. So when you square something, there's going to be this little exponent in the corner, a little 2, and that just means you're going to multiply that number by itself. Okay, so not times 2, but by itself. So 2/3 times 2/3, so 4/9. So let's do a couple examples really quickly here. So for example, let's look at, well, I think the hardest ones are probably 7 and 8. So let's look at those and make sure you guys are on the right track. But so number 7 is going to be, you're going to find the square of negative 5.7. So you're going to square this number, right? So that means you're going to, right, a little exponent, and you're going to take this number times itself. So negative 5.7 times negative 5.7. So first of all, make sure we remember, right, a negative times a negative is a positive. Yay, good job, you remembered. Okay, so our answer is going to be positive, and now we just need to take 5.7 times 5.7, right? And so 7 times 7 is 49, and 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39, right? Put a placeholder, because now we're going to multiply from the 10 spot, so 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 5, let's carry the 3. 5 times 5 is 25, and then the 3 is 28. So again, right now, we should be not using calculators. And there's 2 decimal places, so we're going to move that decimal 2 times, right? And so our answer is 32.49. Oops, in case you didn't see it, sorry. I got to remember to look over here. All right, and then we're also going to look at number 8. Number 8 is 1 2/5. And so then we're going to square that. And I just want to make sure I can see what I'm supposed to see here. All right. 1 2/5, so we're looking at number 8. Number 8, 1 2/5 squared, right? So that's when you see this, we're going to square that number. That's just 1 2/5 times 1 2/5. So when we're going to multiply mixed numbers, we want to change them to improper fractions. So 1 2/5. So you may have seen before where you're just going to multiply by 5, and then you're going to add the 2. So that's 1 times 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So that's 7/5. The reason for that, right, is because this whole number right here is really 5/5, right? 5 out of 5 is 1. So you have 5/5 plus the 2/5, and that's going to give you 7/5. So we're going to take 7/5 times 7/5, and then we're going to multiply. And when you multiply, if you look at your example, right, it's just multiplying straight across. 7 times 7 is 49, and 5 times 5 is 25. And in 8th grade, I am A-OK. You can leave it as an improper fraction, unless it's a word problem, which you would need to change it to a mixed number. But these are both prime numbers. There's nothing to factor out. That's it.